an unsuspecting crew of a cat and a bird.
And here they are. This is Tommy, God rest his whiskers, and this is Budgie. May his soul take wings. Both of them tragically passed away earlier this year, and their owners have expressed a wish for their ashes to be scattered to the four winds. Welcome then to the pet cemetery of the future, the Man Lab Space Funeral.
Sleep, don't visit, so I choke on sun, and the days blur into one in the backs of my eyes. All the things I've never done. Sheets are swaying from an old clothesline, like a row of captured ghosts or old dead grass. There's never much,
Red.
but we've made the most.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ships are launching from my chest. Some have names, but most